Hello friends. We are really excited to share with you the top 5 products of Amazon. So now we are going to discover the top 5 best gaming mouse of 2020. Here are the best and latest update description along with the contemporary prices of these products. So don't forget to pick up the descriptions mentioned below. If you are interested to reach more interesting videos, watch the video till the end for more exciting information and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon to see the most interesting videos on your screen. Moreover, if you want detailed information regarding prices and product, check out the links mentioned in the descriptions. In the last 10 years, the technology has reached to the high on sky. Whereas, for these kinds of advanced tech everyone needed to use advanced tech equipment. And the gaming mouse is one of the elucidation of advanced tech equipment. The gaming mouse and the gaming keyboard become primary need of every gamer in the world because the newly high technology games need specified equipment for their desired operations. Doesn't matter which kind of game station you have, either you have PS or some other game stations, you must require professional gaming equipment for your desire satisfaction. That's we came up with best gaming mouse of 2020 for complete your fantasy desire. The market has full of variety of gaming mouse in different price range, and it's really confusing to decide that what should we buy and what shouldn't we buy. For saving your time and help them to decide it, we brought a best range of gaming mouse in most prime quality with the affordable prices. Based on the market research we could successfully able to find and presenting the best gaming mouse with the high quality features. If you are a serious hobbyist, gamer, or videographer looking for the most portable, highest quality best gaming mouse, then look no further. So let's start to explore the Paramount Gaming Mouse of 2020, which are most selling products on Amazon. Number 1 is Razer DeathAdder V2. Razer DeathAdder V2 is a new, lighter form factor and updated specs with Icon Reborn Witness. The most celebrated and awarded gaming mouse in the world has earned its popularity through its exceptional ergonomic design. It is perfectly suited for a palm grip, also works well with claw and fingertip styles. Moreover, the Razer DeathAdder V2 continues this legacy, retaining its signature shape while shedding more weight for quicker handling to improve your gameplay. Its optimized design also provides greater comfort for gaming, important for those long raids or when you're grinding your rank on ladder. Its advanced feature automatically calibrates itself across different surfaces, ensuring consistent lift-off and accuracy with optical switch actuation at the speed of light, rated for 70 million clicks. Furthermore, its ultra-lightweight design at 82 grams allows swifter and more controlled swipes, augmenting the speed of your reaction in battle. You can enjoy slick mouse movement with PTFE mouse feet for the smoothest gaming experience. Our new, improved sensor has an industry-leading 20,000 dpi with 99.6% resolution accuracy, ensuring that even the finest movement from this ergonomic mouse is tracked with consistency. Equipped with intelligent functions, the sensor becomes even more accurate, allowing for an acute level of precision for game-winning headshots. The Razer DeathAdder V2's cable has greater flexibility and is designed to produce minimal drag, so that you can perform quicker, more fluid swipes for a higher degree of control. For more details, check out the links mentioned above. Number 2 is Logitech G203 Light Sync. G203 Light Sync is ready to play with an 8000 dpi gaming grade sensor and customizable Light Sync RGB colors. Also, you get the performance you need to get maximum fun in your gaming. Moreover, 8000 dpi gaming grade sensor responds precisely to movements along with customize your sensitivity settings to suit the sensitivity you like with Logitech G Hub gaming software and cycle easily through up to 5 dpi settings. So, let's make the most of your game time with G203 LIGHTSYNC featuring a gaming grade sensor, classic 6-button design, and ColorWave LIGHTSYNC RGB lighting across 3 zones and light up your game and your desk. Express yourself with a diversity of bold new colors to match your playful spirit and personal style. Also, you can use Logitech G Hub software to choose from vibrant animations, game and media-driven settings, or program your own from approximately 16.8 million colors. Its classic 6-button design hits that sweet spot so you can explore, cast spells and play like you want. Assign in-game commands, system controls or keybinds to buttons and simplify your gameplay. Also, its primary left and right buttons have an exclusive spring button tensioning system that helps deliver more precise button feedback, a crisper click and a more consistent experience of click after click. Moreover, you can easily personalize G203 lighting, sensitivity and button commands with G Hub. It's a complete customization suite that's just a free download away. For more details, check out the links mentioned above. Number 3 is Corsair Ironclaw RGB. The IRONCLAW RGB gaming mouse features a lightweight design at 105 grams and a contoured shape that's sculpted specifically for palm grips and larger hands. It has built to last with ultra-durable Omron switches rated for more than 50 million clicks. Also, it has surgical precision equipped with a custom Pixart PMW3391 native 18,000 dpi precision optical sensor with 1 dpi resolution steps. The Iron Claw RGB gaming mouse delivers ultra-accurate tracking and first-rate gaming performance. The powerful Corsair Q software allows you to precisely tune sensitivity in 1 dpi steps, as well as customize the 7 programmable buttons with macros or remaps to give you an in-game edge. Furthermore, Q software also unlocks dual-zone RGB lighting control, allowing you to instantly synchronize lighting across all your ICUE-compatible Corsair devices, from mouse to case lighting and more. Boasting the ultra-accurate customizable precision, you need to take your gameplay higher. With the Corsair Iron Claw RGB, victory is in hand. So let's try the experience. Dozens of customizable presets and effects to perfectly match your setup with lightweight at 105 grams along with most advanced optical gaming sensor with Corsair Iron Claw RGB. For more details, check out the links mentioned above. Number 4 is Razer Naga Pro. The Razer Naga Pro is a modular wireless gaming mouse with 3 swappable side plates. For the button layouts you need to become a multi-genre master in MMO, Battle Royale, FPS and more. You'll 25% faster than any other wireless technology available. You won't even realize that you're gaming with a wireless mouse due to its high-speed transmission, lowest click latency, and seamless frequency switching in the noisiest, data-saturated environments. This modular wireless gaming mouse comes with 3 types of side plates that snap on magnetically, and 2 button layouts specially designed to help you adapt across different game genres. Also optimize your game with the recommended button configurations for each side plate. Furthermore, its advanced feature Razer Hypershift to double your inputs with a secondary button profile that can be toggled at the press of a key. Every button on the mouse and its side plates is ergonomically positioned, so you can access them easily and quickly, with each click providing audible, tactile feedback that feels satisfying and responsive. Its new and improved sensor has an industry-leading 20,000 dpi with 99.6% resolution accuracy, ensuring that even the finest movement from this modular wireless gaming mouse is tracked with consistency. It has well-equipped and intelligent functions of sensor that becomes even more accurate, allowing for an acute level of precision for game-winning headshots. For more details, check out the links mentioned above. Number 5 is SteelSeries Sensei 310. The Sensei 310 features a number of firsts for a gaming mouse. In order to achieve its surprisingly light weight of just 92.1 grams, every material for the Sensei 310 was carefully crafted for functionality, weight reduction and extreme durability. Every aspect of the Sensei 310 design meets sports players' stringent demands for comfort. Whether you deploy a claw grip or fingertip grip, the shape will provide perfect comfort for long and intense gaming sessions. While most mice use one piece of plastic from front to back, the Sensei 310 features our exclusive split trigger button design, first introduced in our flagship Rival 700 gaming mouse. Splitting the triggers provides excellent click force and consistent feel during burst firing, rapid presses or holds. Moreover, save all your performance and lighting settings directly to the mouse. A powerful 32-bit ARM processor allows you to save CPI settings, button remapping and lighting effects on board for software-free use at LAN events and tournaments. Also, it has synced dynamic multicolor lighting effects, so let's start your battle of game with pure silicone side grips for a lifetime of handling of Sensei 310. For more details, check out the links mentioned above. Here are the best gaming mouse of 2020 for commercial and personal usage, which you can grab it right now. On the behalf of research, we recommended you to buy Razer DeathAdder V2. Comparatively, this is perfect choice of commercial and personal usage for their desired satisfaction. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and click on the bell icon for best experience.